Tonight, I've invited 3 chefs whose impact on the food world is so great, they're considered legends. These chefs are super skilled, super smart, and super competitive. So they're bringing double the usual bankroll, 10 grand each.
Hey!
Come on in. Alex is one of the fiercest chefs I know. She's beaten a ridiculous number of culinary opponents as an Iron Chef and on Alice vs. America.
You said, let's compete and let's do something competitive. I showed up.
Rocco is America's original culinary rock star. There he is.
There he is.
Rocco. His restaurant's a legend, and he's written over 14 cookbooks, including 2 James Beard Award winners.
Oh, wow.
Alex Corner, Shelley.
Oh!
It's Andrew Zimmern.
Andrew is a world traveler and a global food master with 4 James Beard Awards to prove it. Chefs, the first round is called the speed hand. You only have 20 minutes to prepare your dish. First, the dish card. We'll be making brunch, and you must include popcorn. Let's go ahead and dish out the wild cards. So, I'll pass this to you. Each wild card applies to your dish and your dish alone. Don't share with your neighbors.
Make it crunchy. I think I'm off the hook. It's popcorn. Of course it's gonna be crunchy.
I've got to make a side dish. I've got to shop, cook, plate, everything in just 20 minutes. That's tough.
I have a card that allows me to have someone else do my prep work for 3 minutes. That's like getting an ace.
20 minutes to make a brunch dish using popcorn, $6,000 in a pot. Your time starts now.
Yeah!
Out of my way.
I make a great shrimp and pork pot sticker, bang, dim sum, Asian brunch, but a pot sticker with popcorn, I have absolutely no idea.
You're gonna come to me first, I know it. I'm making a frittata.
Yes.
That's what all the eggs are for.
How are you incorporating popcorn into the frittata?
So I'm gonna make a side of bacon-scented popcorn. I'm gonna take big chunks of bacon, render it, and then make the popcorn inside the bacon. That sounds good, right?
Yes.
I make my popcorn on the stove, and then I just start the cream and egg mixture for French toast.
What's the secret to perfect French toast for you?
Lots of vanilla, and then not having 20 minutes to make it in midnight.
2.5 minutes left.
Let's start getting something on a plate. My caramel goes over the popcorn, and some of it was caramel sauce, and some of it not, because I want it to stay crunchy. We're getting there, we're getting there. Passion fruit caramel on top. And then you have bacon and caramelized popcorn on top of French toast, and the bananas is my side dish.
Tell me about this technique right here, Chef.
It's a starch slurry
Oui.
that once they're cooked through, it comes out with that lacy effect.
Gorgeous.
For my pot sticker with popcorn starch, I need to make a little dipping sauce. I love it with these pot stickers.
How much time left? 20 seconds.
You're joking. Potato and onion frittata. I want to make sure that the popcorn is separate so that it remains crunchy.
We have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's about it, chefs. Well done. Your judge is also a legend. He's an Emmy-nominated host, a 4-time Tournament of Champions finalist.
It's Jed Tilo!
What's up, Jed? Wow, this is crazy. Eric, you said legends, bro, but this is another level of legends.
Hello!
Frittata is brunch. The texture of the egg is supple, it's not dry. I love the tomatoes, I love the red onion. There's a ton of savoriness here.
I want to yell out loud, woo! Jed likes it.
French toast. I can't believe the chef had time to do 2 plates in
Right.
20 minutes.
Right.
It was very hard to do that, and he knows it, which is good for me.
The caramel, the popcorn, the bacon, the sweet, that kind of burnt sugar vibe. I've got this like brulee banana, which is super high end. It all plays so lovely. The winning dish is the French toast.
$14,000. We call the second round the make or break hand.
Okay.
This is the dish you'll be making, cocktail hour app. And this is the ingredient,
Copa
steak. Wild cards.
You know, I am a big fan of oil. I use a lot in real life, in restaurant life, so it's gonna hurt.
I am someone who tastes constantly when I'm cooking, and it's gonna be hard for me not to do it.
So I have to use some other sauce, one of the classic 5 sauces in French cuisine. I sometimes cook that way. I probably haven't for 20 years.
$9,000 in the pot. Chefs, your time starts now.
Yeah.
Here we come.
A cocktail hour app. Something small, 2-3 bites max.
This is a tricky one.
So I'm making a fun little copa steak sandwich plussed up with tarragon-infused hollandaise sauce.
I literally cannot make up my mind what to make. A copa steak is the part of the pork shoulder that's tender enough to cook quickly. So I thought, you know what, let me sear the meat and see how it comes out.
I'm going to make pigs in a blanket because, I think that's the ultimate
That is
cocktail
actually
hour
not a
app.
bad idea.
I'm mixing it with some filet mignon, some kielbasa.
Oh.
And I'm putting these little tomatoes, I fry some tarragon, and it balances the dish in case I haven't balanced my seasoning because I can't taste anything.
10.
I'm not sure if there's enough time, but I had to put the pigs in the blanket on a plate. If the meat is not cooked, I'll probably lose for sure.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! That's about it, chefs. I can't even believe you got that done. First dish.
I'm only going because it's right in front of me. This is a beautiful appetizer. It's like a spring roll. The pork cook is pretty perfect. The sauce is tremendous. Like, it's flavorful, it's lush. This nails cocktail appetizer. It's really put together well. These sliders are calling my name. Super delicious. This sauce is like a béarnaise. It gives it flavor. It gives it more dimension because there's herbaceousness there. Ooh, fancy. Getting toast vibes. That's a delicious bite. That just makes me happy because the bread is crispy but soft on the inside. This mustard vinaigrette just brightens everything up. The execution of textures and flavors and cook is just, it's really satisfying.
Yeah.
I have to award the little pastry rolls.
Bravo.
This nails cocktail appetizer. The sauce has a lot of depth. Super delicious.
It's time to get into the high stakes hand. Let's get into the dish card.
Global mashup.
Global mashup.
I cook from a globalist perspective, no problem.
Let's talk about the ingredients. Lion's
mane.
mane
Okay.
mushroom. The fun part. Try to figure out what you need to do.
Oh, mamma mia.
Every dish a chef makes, you add salt. I think it's one of the worst possible cards I could have drawn.
I have to use a steamer basket. There's 15 things I could just steam easy as pie.
Your time starts now. Do you have any idea what you're gonna mash up?
Yeah, I mean, I'm using lion's mane mushroom with noodles from Japan, a sambal from Malaysia.
And that steamer pot is being used. I'm actually glad that he's just doing it, getting it out the way. Now we can just focus on the rest of his dish.
So my plan is to do a Brazilian, Caribbean, Spanish-style seafood feijoada.
I'm gonna do like a play on popcorn shrimp and like a pulled pork lion's mane with hoisin on a taco.
30 seconds.
The mocha pot doesn't boil. There's just no more time, but then maybe a miracle happened here.
20 seconds.
It percolates, and I get the most beautiful, subtle saffron broth that I've ever made in my life.
Get it done, get it done. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, chefs. That's about it.
Wow. It's like this Hong Kong style crispy chow mein on top. It's just spicy, feels like chili jam with Hong Kong noodle. Gorgeous. It is a picture perfect fried corn tortilla. It's so fresh. It tastes like avocado salsa. This dish is salty, it's sweet, it's savory. It leads with sweet, but it still works for this global mashup. What gorgeous food. This is soulful, fresh seafood broth, umami. Just this shrimp stock is tremendous with the sausage.
$15,000 in the pot. I'm sure these chefs are dying to know.
The winning dish for me is this stew.
You, my friend, just won $24,000.
I nailed it. I did it. I got it done.